This video will exactly show you guys how to convert MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR, and it's really easy to do. Let's get started. Very first thing is that you need to open up Windows setup menu and click on next. Now once it asks you guys Windows activation, press and hold shift and press F10 button, and it should give you administrator command prompt where we can use it for converting. So now type disk part to open up the disk management, then type list disk. It should now show your C drive and other drive been opened up or listed. Now make sure to select C drive. In my case it's 0, so I will need to select 0. So type select disk 0 and hit enter. Then type clean to wipe the disk. Okay, now simply type convert GPT or MBR and hit enter. So now I can try formatting my PC, and it's that simple and easy, guys. Well, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up for this video. Let's aim for 50 likes to this video, and also make sure to subscribe if you want to see more awesome tutorial like this. You can also check this playlist stuff like this. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.